Now, whilst I really do love my Sculpfun Pro Max 20 watt newly acquired laser, one of the things that really bugs me is that I can't get the full width on the x-axis because of the stop switch there. When the laser head goes across, activates the switch, you can see there that that's the position of the laser head there, and in fact there is still some usable gap here that would give me an extended x-axis. So I thought about a way of adjusting that or changing that to give me more x-axis. So what I've done is I've cut just a 3mm of ply 3mm. Let's put it on the bed, you can see it there, with a 5mm hole in it, and the idea is that that is going to go behind the top of the plate here, bolted in, and I can adjust the position of the switch, the limit switch, to suit. So let's go on to that next. As per the instructions, the limit switch is mounted on here and it's activated by the frame or plate, the mounting plate for the laser head. There, you can see the switch there. So what I'm going to do, as we've got adjustment backwards and forwards, I'm going to move that switch back. So let's just do that whilst I'm holding the So now, with that switch mounted there, it's no longer in line with the back plate here. So when the head moves across, it will go past that limit switch, as you can see there. It's gone past that. But obviously here, it's going to be hitting on the nut or the mounting for that roller, which I'm also going to change, by the way, and just swap that head round, because we've got a button head bolt there and we've got a nylock there. Well, that obviously is a lot shallower, a lot thinner than that. So if I swap them round, I'll give them even more room, but I'll do that later. So the next thing I need to do is to mount my bit of plywood onto the back here so that it can activate the switch. Now, with the limit switch mounted further back, when the head comes through, it'll now be triggering the limit switch with or by the ply plate that I've put in there. Let's just see if we can see. So that will now trigger it, which means that now, and I have moved the button head to the back, I've got, I would say, it may not seem much, but there's another 5mm to 7mm of bed width, which for me is quite important. Thanks for watching.